Ever wondered about the secret recipe that seasoned crypto investors use to navigate the tumultuous seas of crypto investing? That secret might just be dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Dollar cost averaging, my favorite strategy till this day. Join me as we look more into this amazing strategy. So, what exactly is dollar cost averaging? Picture this. You're on a journey, and instead of sprinting all the way to the finish line, you decide to take steady, measured strides. That's DCA in a nutshell. It's an investment strategy where you divide your total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset in an effort to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. Now, imagine applying this strategy to the crypto space. Cryptocurrencies are known for their wild price swings, which can be daunting for many. But with DCA, you're not trying to time the market. Instead, you're investing a fixed amount on a regular schedule, regardless of the price. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, whatever suits your investing style and budget. Let's break it down further. Say you decide to invest $100 every week in a particular cryptocurrency. One week, the price is high, so you get less of the coin. The next week, the price drops, so your $100 gets you more. Over time, this approach can help you achieve a lower average cost per coin than if you dumped all your money in at once. So, why is DCA a strategy worth considering in the crypto space? Well, it brings three key benefits to the table. Firstly, it reduces the risk of investing a large amount in a single price point. By spreading out your investment, you're less exposed to short-term market volatility. Secondly, it takes the emotion out of investing. No need to stress about when's the perfect time to buy. With DCA, you're investing consistently, regardless of market conditions. And thirdly, it's a flexible strategy. You can adjust your investment schedule and amount as your financial situation changes. Let me know what you think about dollar cost averaging on the comments section. In summary, dollar cost averaging is a strategy that allows crypto investors to navigate the volatile market with a steady hand. It's about consistency, not timing. It's about reducing risk, not chasing quick wins. And most importantly, it's about investing in a way that aligns with your personal financial situation and goals. Remember, in the world of crypto investing, slow and steady can indeed win the race. Happy investing!